I'm over here baking some bread, and Lydia is over here doing some painting. Kind of role reverse, but it's okay. I'll be doing some manly stuff soon.
I'm putting the primer on the dark areas here so that we can paint.
I spent some time yesterday trying to fit this chain onto Lydia's electrical chainsaw, and I couldn't do it. I'm like, why can't I do this? There's got to be a trick to it. Well, the trick is that the chain needs to have 2 more links than this one. Lidia got the wrong chain like 10 years ago, so. But we'll be doing plenty of manly stuff today. Installing these, well, this fantastic vent and the covers. I just realized I am going to have to staple this back in because I thought this was part of the vent. This is actually part of the roof. So, no big deal. We got a problem. The sheep are back and they might go eat the olive tree. What's going on here? The grass wasn't green enough on that side. Come on, keep it moving, keep it moving. There's the olive tree and here are the sheep. The edge of this fan is much thinner than the newer fans, and this flange here that I have to use will not fit properly. This thing here will be right against the roof of the camper and it won't be able to slide, and this thing will be like on an angle too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a couple washers and then it'll work. It'll make up the thickness that this older fan doesn't have and the new ones do.
My wristwatch is broken, my shoes are untied. Time is a-ticking, and so is the tide. But I am not worried, things are what they are.
This thing comes with these little bolts that go through here. This bolt like this goes through here, and then I'm supposed to go on the other side and put a washer, a lock washer and nut through that. But I drilled a hole and I just realized, how am I going to do that? How am I going to do that? The thing is right here, and how am I going to go inside here? I thought I could access that from the bottom, from the inside, but I can't, because these things are inside this housing here, and there's no way I'm going to be able to reach that. It's not going to work. There's no way. Maybe if I remove these screws, four screws, this one 5, maybe I can access it. It's right there, right there.
Rain or come shine or a shooting star.
All right. I will need somebody like Lydia on the other side, because when I put this in there, that's going to go out. Yeah, there you go. All right, I'm gonna get Lydia. Liddy, help the Louie. How's it going, Liddy?
Well, Louis, you didn't tell me there was all this slime over here that I'm getting touched.
Don't touch the thing around the vent.
I've just figured that out.
I've been to the south, been to the north, east and the west, the middle, of course. I may have been astray, but I've never been lost, never been beat by the road I've crossed. I guess I've been lucky to some degree, for someone who ate all the fruit from the tree.
All right, good job. Give me 5.
Stars been aligned and my goose hanging high. I'll be okay in the sweet by and by. I was born at morning on the first day of June, 1900 and something and 2. My mom was a sweetheart, my father was too. They left me a watch and an old pair of shoes. I guess I've been lucky to some degree, for someone who ate all the food from
The caulking has dried, and today I'm going to install this trim that goes on the inside for the new vent. I'm going to install that cover and the other cover that I have. This one is a fantastic vent cover, the other one is not. I only need about that much, so I'm going to mark that up over here. Basically all you need is a knife to score this up.
I guess I've been lucky to some degree, for someone who ate all the food from the tree.
It works.
Stars been aligned and my goose hanging high. I'll be okay in the sweet by and by. I'll be okay in the sweet by and by.
That is done.
Ow!
Alright, let's see if it works. Yeah.
Therefore, thus says the Holy One of Israel, since you have rejected his word, and have put your trust in oppression and guile, and have relied on them, therefore this iniquity will be to you like a breach about to fall, a bulge in a high wall, whose collapse comes suddenly in an instant. Isaiah 30:12-13.